Insta360's latest action cam boasts stabilized 8K video and Leica optics. Insta360 has launched a new wide-angle action cam called the Ace Pro, which was co-engineered with imaging titan Leica, and has the outward appearance of a GoPro, but offers more in the video and photo departments. Insta360's action cam offers 8K video recording at 24 frames per second, 4K UHD at up to 120 FPS and slow-mo Full HD at 240 FPS, plus a bunch of other video resolutions and frame rates. It comes with active HDR that is especially helpful for shooting scenes with both bright and dark areas, with more details in the highlights and shadows and more vibrant footage. There's H.264 and H.265 video encoding, flow state image stabilization for smooth footage no matter how intense the action gets, a 360 degrees horizon lock that helps keep videos on the level, and the triple microphone array is able to capture 16-bit/48 kHz audio to go with the visuals. The 1.3-inch type image sensor also allows for 48 megapixel stills through the action cam's f2.6 aperture, 16mm Leica Summerit lens, with 5 photo modes available, including interval, burst and star-lapse. Users can keep an eye on the cat eye and via a 2.4-inch flip-up touchscreen display. Insta360 has cooked in some AI smarts too, such as a low-light pure video mode where a custom-trained AI neural network is employed to remove noise from footage, a highlights assistant which selects key moments in a video and delivers recap highlights for in-camera review, and an AI warp feature that can add dynamic effects to videos using preset or custom keywords. The Pro's native light sensitivity range runs from ISO 100 to ISO 6,400. It includes 3 color profiles as well as a feature that can zoom in and out at 2x without image quality losses included, and there's a photo grab function that produces a still image from video footage at higher quality than a screen grab would manage. A 2.4-inch flip-up touchscreen display allows for flexible shooting, and there's gesture control too, with the user able to wave a hand to start/stop recording or snap a group photo. And naturally there's a magnetic mounting system for quick attachment to hardware and accessories. The Ace Pro Action Cam is waterproof to 10 meters, or 60 meters when enclosed in an optional dive case. Insta360. The Action Cam's 1650 mAh battery is reported good for up to 100 minutes of per charge use, with support for 30-watt fast charging enabling a top-up to 80% capacity in 22 minutes. Bluetooth 5.1 and 802.11 acres dual-band Wi-Fi are cooked in, and all content is recorded to a microSD card, not supplied. It's waterproof to a depth of 10 meters, 33 feet, on its own, or 60 meters, 196.85 feet, with the optional dive case, and can operate in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, for winter sports action. The Ace series is also reported to be the first to integrate seamlessly with your Garmin device of Apple Watch so that GPS, speed and other metrics can be overlaid on footage. The Ace Pro measures 71.9 by 52.15 by 38.5 mm, 2.8 by 2 by 1.5 in, and tips the scales at 179.8 grams, 6.3 ounces. It's on sale now for $449.99, while a standard Ace model that tops out at 6K/30 FPS video and sports a half-inch type sensor comes in at $379.99.